So far it's been great. It's been very well attended, well organized as well, so kudos to you. Really good conversations, a lot of people showing interest, and especially after the speaking slot we had quite some people at the booth. Actually yes, some prospects or visitors here already asked for follow-up meetings. They brought some real-life problems they would like to solve. They are interested in learning more and seeing how they can benefit potentially. Actually yes, some prospects or visitors here already asked for follow-up meetings. There were quite some C-level people as well, also directors of supply chain, so people that actually carry a budget, people that know the process and they want to solve it for. So in general the quality, I mean I haven't spoken to everyone obviously, but 30 or 40 people I've spoken to definitely were interested, and they didn't come only for the merchandise.